The diagram shows a boy at the top of a cliff and a yacht out at sea. The angle of depression is the angle at which the boy would have to look down in order to see the yacht. In other words, the angle of depression is this angle here. So, let's suppose that we form a right-angled triangle here. Using z angles, the angle of depression is this one here. So let's call this x. Now let's just suppose for this example that the cliff is 50 meters high and the yacht is 134 meters outwards from the cliff. Then the tangent of x is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. So x is the inverse tangent of 50 over 134, and that gives us 20.46 degrees.